Welcome back to Mr.S Travel Quest. Today we visit Abilene State Park and we're jumping in the pool. In this episode, we revisit Abilene State Park and cool off in the CCC built pool. We will talk about costs, visit the pool area, and also visit the other side of the park, Lake Abilene. If you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and come along. Entrance fee to the park is $5 and children 12 and under are free. To get into the park, you must have an online reservation and click here to learn how to make an online reservation for day use. Tickets for the pool is $2 for adults and children under 12 is $1. You have to purchase the tickets online in advance to use the pool. I know what you're thinking. You're going to the pool during COVID-19? Well, Abilene State Park has limited reservations to use the pool. It must be done online and before visiting Abilene State Park. At the time of this video, Abilene has 2-hour sessions. Once session is up, you must evacuate and staff cleans and disinfects the pool area. The state acquired the property in 1933 from the city of Abilene. The Civilian Conservation Corps built the park facilities in the early 1930s. You can walk up the overlook and view the pool area. There are 2 pool areas. Let's go down and check it out. There's no better way to beat the Texas heat. Isaac, you ready?
Yes, Dad.
The pool was nice and refreshing. Since tickets were limited, it felt like we had the pool to ourselves. I would recommend coming to Abilene State Park and cool off in this historic pool. When you're done, you can check out the park located right next to the pool. The Civilian Conservation Corps Water Tower and Play Area is point of interest 1 on the trail maps. This area is well shaded and perfect for a picnic. The kids love climbing the water tower, but did you know it used to hold 5,800 gallons of water? Now it shades the playground area. Amadis, you ready? She wanted to play some volleyball, so here we go. Let's see what you got, Madi.
I'll show you how it's done.
Wait, that didn't happen. Let's fix that. That looks about right.
Whatever.
Next, we travel to Lake Abilene, just 1 mile away from the park entrance. On this side of the park, points of interest 7, 8, and 9 are located here. This side also has the longest trail of the park, the Abilene Dam Road, which is perfect for hiking and biking. On Lake Abilene side of the park, you can launch your boat, canoe, kayak, and swim. Let's get a better view of the lake. So what do you think about Lake Abilene and the CCC pool? I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more state park videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.